Hi guys, I'm super excited because today's video is unlike anything I've ever done. If you've been following me for some time, you know I love all things mindset and all things about embracing your authentic self. And so today we're going to weave my favorite mindset tool with human design, which I'm so excited to bring to you. If you're new to human design, let me break that down for you for a quick moment. Human design is this intricate system that involves the I Ching, astrology, the chakra system, and a bunch of other things that gives you a very comprehensive overview of who you're designed and called to be. And I love it. Human design, to me, the best way to say it is it gave me permission to actually just be me. And I love every part about it. And I'm so excited to bring that to other people, to bring that to the masses, to really be able to help others make that shift as well. So if you have been exploring your human design, or if you just know that you've been a little bit out of alignment, this tapping session is going to be so amazing for you. The truth is, the majority of us live life so far out of alignment from who we're actually called to be. And that's because of different conditioning. That's societal programming and things we're taught in society, and also different experiences that we've had that make us feel like we have to behave or act or believe a certain thing or act in a certain way. And so this is your opportunity to free yourself from it totally. So we are going to dive in and get started. If you're new to emotional freedom techniques, or EFT, also known as tapping, basically what we're going to do is we're going to shift the negative energy out of your body and replace it with positive suggestions that help you to feel super high vibe, super energetic, and at an aligned state of being. It's so amazing. So what I'm going to ask you is I'm going to ask you to get in touch with yourself for a moment. And on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being like, I feel like I don't even know myself sometimes, and 0 being like, you know what, I know everything about myself, even beyond my favorite color, my favorite movie, or my favorite TV show. Like, I know how I'm designed to operate, or I know I'm supposed to be authentic or, different. I want you to rate yourself on that scale of 0 to 10. If you're anything above or 2 or 3, I'm going to ask you to stick with me so that we can tap it out, get rid of those limiting beliefs and that negative energy, and then replace it with positive suggestions that help you to align your life with who you're called to be. So I'm super excited to get started. I hope you are as well. We're going to start right here at the karate chop point, and let's dive in and get started. Even though sometimes it feels like I don't know myself, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like sometimes I live life for other people, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it feels like choices and decisions I make are for others, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've grown to not be able to trust my own decisions, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it's hard for me to embrace certain parts about myself, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes the things that make me feel different also embarrass me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes the things that make me feel different make me want to hide or shy away from it, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel unworthy, I deeply and I completely love and accept myself. Even though I deal with a lot of pain from living out of alignment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm constantly disappointing myself or feeling like I let myself down, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes it feels like I get out of alignment and I deal with heavy emotions because of it, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes it's hard to accept different parts of myself, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've let other people's stories become my beliefs, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've made decisions to make other people happy, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I put my desires, my hopes, and my aspirations on the back burner, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I start to feel guilty about different things I feel if other people don't understand, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I wish I weren't different, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wish I could be like everyone else, it just seems like it would be easier, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I question my desires, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if my desires are pretty out there, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it's hard to embrace every part of myself, even though I know I should try, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though the more I learn about myself, the less I feel like I know, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wish that this thing called life could just be easy and I could just make sense of who I really am, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't understand my purpose or what I'm called here to do, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've tried to learn all about myself, it doesn't seem like it's helped at all, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. All right, great job. Now I want you to get in touch with that emotion and that feeling again on a scale of 0 to 10. You should have lowered a lot. If you are at a 0, stick with me. We're going to keep going and tapping into positive suggestions. If you're anything above a 2 or a 3, I'm going to actually ask that you rewind this video and continue to tap out the negative beliefs, thoughts, and negative energy so that when you're tapping in the positive suggestions, they have a great place to go. The good news is you can always replace my words with something that feels more in alignment with exactly what it is that you're facing or dealing with or running into, because your body keeps score. Your body knows what you're struggling against or what you're running up against. And so you're allowed to replace my words with something that feels more aligned if you go back and tap out. If not, we're going to keep going forward and we're going to tap in the positive suggestions to get you going and feeling super high vibe. All right, let's take a deep breath and let's get started. I'm allowed to be different. I'm allowed to just be me. Being unique is a great thing. Standing out is special. My authenticity is my greatest asset. The more I learn about myself, the more I can embrace myself. My quirks make me special. I'm my own person. And that's okay. I'm designed to be unique. I'm designed to uncover my purpose. Every single day, I make decisions that allow me to get in touch with who I really am. I connect with people that give me permission to fully be me. I give myself permission to fully be me. I love uncovering new things about myself. I love being able to expand my learning so that I can understand myself even more. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am loved. Great things come to me when I embrace myself. Marvelous things come when I embrace every aspect of who I'm called to be. I love getting to know more about myself. The more I learn about myself, the more I realize I have a purpose. I am here for a purpose. It's my birthright to uncover that. And I give myself permission to dig deep. I'm excited to learn more about myself because I get to create the success that I desire and deserve on my own terms. Wonderful job, guys. I love emotional freedom techniques. It is such an amazing tool because you can literally use it wherever you want or whenever you want. And if you notice your energy kind of shifting or being off, you get to dive in and use it. Think about nature. In nature, the water in the streams has to move down a stream because still water becomes toxic or stale. Same thing with our body. If we're not moving that negative energy out, it actually becomes toxic in our body. And so you get to move that negative energy out and replace it with things that give you permission to be high vibe, to step into your next level. And I'm so excited that you committed to joining me today and committed to kicking it with me the entire time and really utilizing emotional freedom techniques. For me, I use emotional freedom techniques every single day because for me, I want to make sure that I'm protecting my energy and that I'm vibrating at the right energetic state to attract the things that I want in my life. The truth is, everything is energy, and the energetic state you vibrate at is what you attract more of. So if you want to attract more positivity, more great things into your life, you want to give yourself an opportunity to embrace yourself, to love yourself, to really take care of yourself. Emotional freedom techniques is an amazing tool to be able to weave in to your day-to-day routine. As far as really being able to authentically embrace who you're called to be and give yourself permission to step into that and to come home to yourself, a place that most of us have never really been, human design is an amazing tool that allows you to do that. I started studying human design a while ago, and let me just say, I have never felt so seen and so heard because human design is a very unique tool. It's not like other personality tests like the Myers-Briggs or the Enneagram that tell us what we're conditioned to be. Human design actually shows us how we're designed to be and gives us the tools to be able to align our life with it. If you're interested in better understanding your design and living life more intentionally, for a purpose and on purpose, human design is the way to go. The great news is I have a totally free human design workshop coming up, which will help you better understand your human design makeup and how to live your life more intentionally and more aligned. So definitely use the link below so that you can join us. It's totally free, and I look forward to seeing you there. Trust me when I say that your future self will be so grateful that you committed to that today.